As described in the previous video, BBEditor allows the user to quickly create box interactions and execute the resulting pipeline. But to create these pipelines, we must first know how this tool works. The BBEditor can be launched by opening a terminal or command line, typing CreaTools and hitting the return key on Mac or pressing the enter key on Windows and Linux. The CreaTools application will launch. There, we open the tab called Devel Tools and click on the BBEditor button in the BBG or BBS section. The BBEditor will launch after that. When BBEditor finishes loading, the first things we can see are the three main sections of the tool. On the upper side, we find the toolbar, which contains buttons for the most important actions for creating pipelines. On the left side, we find the exploration panel, which shows all the available boxes ready to deploy into the workbench. On the right side, we find the workbench, which is the space where the boxes are dropped in and connected to form the desired pipeline. To begin with a new pipeline, we click on the New Tab button, and a new tab will appear. Now we're ready to deploy some boxes. In order to do this, we must find the box we want to deploy using the exploration panel. There, you'll find different options to make the search. In this case, I'm using the box name to find the VRMV box, which I'll explain later in this video tutorial series. Once we've found the right box, we can drag and drop it into the workbench. At this point, we can see the box in the workbench with the inputs and outputs, which are respectively the triangles in the upper edge of the box and the triangles on the lower edge of the box. In the next video, we'll show how to connect different boxes and we'll create and execute a simple pipeline.